Tesla's choice to rename the 2025 Model Y from Juniper to Opal has sparked quite a buzz among EV fans and industry watchers. This name change isn't just about a fresh label. It's a reflection of Tesla's growing brand identity and evolving strategies. The name Opal suggests a new phase filled with cutting-edge technology, design upgrades, and enhanced performance. But why the change? Is Tesla planning to position the Opal as a more luxurious model? Or is this part of a larger plan to stay ahead in the booming EV market? And on a lighter note, does this mean future Tesla models will also be named after gemstones? Should we start looking forward to a Tesla Sapphire or even a Tesla Emerald? We're close to hitting 100 subscribers, and your support can help us get there. Thanks to all our subscribers so far. Don't forget to join us for the latest tech news, reviews, and updates. Hit that subscribe button today and help us reach the next milestone together. The switch from Juniper to Opal reflects a well-thought-out branding strategy to emphasize sophistication, luxury, and a more premium image. While Juniper conveys a natural and understated identity, Opal brings a sense of elegance and brilliance, aligning perfectly with the key updates in this refreshed model, including improved interiors, better efficiency, and advanced design elements. By linking the Model Y to the beauty of a precious gemstone, Tesla aims to redefine its image, merging innovation with emotional appeal. This rebranding also builds excitement while reaffirming Tesla's commitment to high-quality innovation, strengthening the Model Y's position as a key player in the competitive EV market. Since Tesla's beginning, Elon Musk has consistently highlighted the company's focus on continuous improvement rather than traditional major refresh cycles. Recently, Musk reiterated on X, formerly Twitter, that no new Model Y refresh would be released this year, emphasizing Tesla's approach of making small, regular updates. This allows Tesla to integrate new technologies more smoothly, staying true to its mission of innovation and customer-focused development. What do you think? Do you prefer Opal or Juniper? Let us know in the comments. The Tesla Model Y Opal will benefit from Tesla's vast Gigafactory network, which allows the company to meet global demand efficiently. Giga Shanghai, Tesla's main export hub, will play a crucial role in the Opal's rollout thanks to its impressive production capacity of nearly 950,000 units annually and its advanced automation system, with a cycle time of under 40 seconds per car. Giga Berlin and Giga Texas will also contribute to production, with each facility adding about 250,000 Model Y units per year. Tesla plans to further boost efficiency by using technologies like 4,680 battery cells and structural battery packs. These innovations will enhance performance and streamline manufacturing, helping Tesla produce vehicles at scale while maintaining competitive pricing. The Opal is expected to launch in China by early 2025, aligning with Elon Musk's statements during the Q3 earnings call that more affordable models are still on track for release in the first half of 2025. After China, the Opal will expand to other major markets. The name change to Opal is reflected in various upgrades, particularly in the car's appearance. The Model Y Opal will feature a sleeker, more modern design, with an arched roofline, compact tail, and smooth sides. It will also include updated aerodynamic spoilers, refined silhouettes, and a more streamlined front bumper. Small yet impactful changes, like improved rearview mirrors and updated cameras, enhance both safety and aesthetics. These updates also aim to reduce the car's drag coefficient, possibly matching the Model 3's reduction from 0.23 to 0.2019. Another standout feature is the redesigned exterior lighting. The rear will include a full-scent LED light bar and a modern Tesla wordmark, while the headlights are expected to be adaptive, improving safety and visibility in changing conditions. These lighting upgrades reinforce the Opal's premium positioning, making it a visually distinct and sophisticated option in Tesla's lineup. The interior of the Model Y Opal also sees significant enhancements, emphasizing luxury and user experience. Tesla has integrated advanced RGB lighting, allowing users to customize the cabin's ambiance through the touchscreen, with options ranging from calming blues to bold reds. This adds a personalized touch, while ambient lighting spanning the cabin creates a more immersive atmosphere. The Opal may also offer a 7-seat configuration, featuring ventilated vegan leather seats with refined stitching for added comfort and elegance. An upgraded rear passenger display, increased from 7.2 inches to 8 inches, enhances the in-car experience with options for gaming, streaming, and climate control. Together, these updates underscore the shift from Juniper to Opal, highlighting its more luxurious and sophisticated identity. Which feature excites you most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Tesla's integration of 4,680 battery cells into the Model Y Opal is another game-changer. These batteries are more energy-dense, reducing weight while boosting performance. The structural battery pack integrates directly into the vehicle's frame, improving rigidity and simplifying manufacturing. These changes enhance handling, safety, and acceleration, with the Opal expected to surpass the current performance model's 0-60 mph time of 3.5 seconds. Tesla is also exploring a 95 kWh pack, which would further extend the range, allowing for longer trips on a single charge. While specific charging times for the Opal aren't yet confirmed, the improved thermal management and efficiency of the 4,680 cells could bring charging times down to under 20 minutes with next-gen superchargers. Once your Model Y Opal is fully charged, where would you drive it first? The Model Y Opal will face strong competition in 2025 from rivals like BYD and Volkswagen. BYD's CLU, a mid-size electric SUV with a range of 43 km and a price around $46,000, is positioned as a direct competitor. Volkswagen's ID.4, priced between $42,000 and $58,000, with a range of up to 420 km, is another formidable rival in Europe and North America. Despite the competition, Tesla aims to keep the Opal competitively priced, estimated between $47,000 and $63,000. Tesla's advanced production techniques, including the cost-saving 4,680 battery cells, are key to maintaining affordability. These innovations could reduce production costs by up to 50%, making the Opal an attractive option for buyers seeking luxury and advanced features at a reasonable price. The Model Y Opal's sleek design, technological advancements, and competitive pricing position it as a leader in the EV market. With Tesla's rapid progress, do you think gas-powered cars will soon become obsolete? Let us know your thoughts. Smash that subscribe button, like this video, and join us for more exciting updates. Before you go, share your guesses for Tesla's next EV name. My pick is Pearl.